Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching the Files app and going straight to Browse. This shows locations like iCloud Drive on my device and any connected USB or SD. Tap a location to list folders and items. This narrows where you're working so you don't waste time. Once done, use the search bar at the top to filter by name, type, or date. This is faster than scrolling, and it helps you understand where copies live versus originals. After locating items, select one or many by long pressing or tap Select for bulk actions. You'll see options like Move, Copy, Delete, and Info. Use Move to place files into a new or existing folder. Create a folder in the destination if necessary, because that keeps related files together. Once moved, rename or add tags so you can find things later. Compress large batches when you need to save space or send them quickly. To finish, share files using the share sheet. Choose AirDrop for local transfers or Mail and Apps for remote sharing. This completes collaboration or delivery. Make sure iCloud Drive Sync is enabled in settings so edits update across devices, and check storage to avoid running out of space. If a file seems missing, refresh the location list, look in Recently Deleted, and confirm external drives are mounted. If needed, restart the app to force a rescan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.